Hello and thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, so this is crypto wallet for beginners explained. Okay, so I'm currently on Ledger website. So the Ledger is Ledger. They have different kind of Ledger wallet. So for example, Ledger Nano X or Ledger Nano S. Okay, so these are hardware wallets. Okay, so if you want to hold your cryptocurrencies long term and you for example you hold a lot of coins. For example, you have like portfolio of over like 10,000 bucks. I highly recommend you to get Ledger wallet. Okay, so it costs, it's not that, it's like 50 bucks or something like that, and it's the most secure way to store your cryptocurrencies. Okay, as long as I know, and it's extremely easy to use and cheap, and you really don't have no excuse why you wouldn't use one. Okay, so when you go to their website, you can actually, they actually have straight up tutorials on here, four simple steps to start using Ledger wallet, so crypto wallet. Okay, so go to the description of this video and order yourself a Ledger wallet or two or three, why not more. And straight up after you get them, you can come here and follow this tutorial. Like, these are from Ledger, the company, these tutorials. So like, these are the best step-by-step tutorials to start using Ledger. They're 100% safe, no scamming, no anything. It just it just shows you how to start using it. Okay, and you can select which ones you want to use. If you ordered Nano X, they have Nano X tutorials, and if you ordered Nano S, they are Nano S tutorials. Okay, so come here. It's really easy to set up. It takes only a couple of minutes. Okay, and when you come here, go to here, sorry. So when you go here and go to crypto assets, you can straight up see here what cryptocurrencies Ledger wallets support. Okay, so for example, like, these don't support all cryptocurrencies because there's so much of them, so many of them. Okay, but for example, if you want to start if you want to store Chainlink, you can come here and check out. Okay, so it's supported by Ledger Live wallets. Okay, so I can just order a Ledger wallet and store my Chainlink there safely. Okay, so you can also use this search here. So for example, if I want to store Tezos, all I have to do is search it. Okay, and then I come here and okay, it's supported by Ledger wallet, like you can see here. Okay, so you can check out what's like, if you hold cryptocurrency, you can come here and check it if this Ledger wallet supports it. Okay, so it's important that if it doesn't support it, you can't use Ledger wallet. But it supports like over to 1,500 coins, so I believe that it will support almost all of your coins that you're holding. Okay, but anyway, thank you so much for watching. Click link in the description and buy yourself Ledger wallet. Okay, so thank you so much and see you in the next videos. Subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you know what I'm saying. If you need help with Ledger wallet or anything crypto related help, comment down below and I'm here to help you. Okay, so see ya.